Who comes up with shit? I don't know. You ever have one of those giant ooey gooey cookies they have at some restaurants? Maybe called a skillet cookie, a pizza cookie, or even a Pizookie? I was thinking about those and how they would translate really well into a Pieiron recipe. So I gave it a go during my latest camping trip. To be honest, the cookie recipe is no recipe at all. It is literally just break and bake cookies. Do we have to oil the pan? It doesn't look like it. Ungreased baking sheet. But apparently it's ungreased. Yeah, it's full of grease. Yeah. So I think I'm gonna do 4. The only tricky part is finding just the right temperature to give you a toasty brown outside and a gooey, but not raw, inside. Now at this point we can just dig right in or throw on some whipped cream and call it a day. But to me, a Pizookie has to have ice cream, so that warm gooey cookie blends with the cold melting ice cream into an utter taste sensation. I came across some recipes for ice cream in a bag, which would be simple and perfect for camping, but I feel like they could be improved. Also, I hate having cold hands. So I rummaged around trying different combos of a small container inside of a bigger container with room for ice. My stainless French press would be perfect for the big container, heavy duty and insulated. For the smaller container, this Stanley canister for my shot glasses is perfect. Something like a plastic peanut butter jar inside of a coffee can would probably work too. Another thing I liked about using the containers is that I didn't have to shake the whole time. I could shake for a couple minutes, scrape down the sides, let it rest, shake, rinse, repeat, and so it wasn't a constant 15-minute arm workout. Once it's pretty thickened up, you can just let it sit and let it continue to solidify while working on the cookie.
beautiful.
It definitely got toasty. The question is the ice cream. Let's see. Ugh. Pretty ice creamy.
Nice.
It's gonna melt instantly though.
That's so cool.
Woo!
That's awesome. No, don't lose.
Runaway Pizookie.
Yes, we see Pizookies trying to escape.
Let's see if it's gooey in the middle. That's a requirement.
Oh yeah, it looks gooey.
Looks pretty gooey. Calling a success.
Nice.
All right, in here.
Let me try.
Got you a spoon.
Thank you.
I'm going to put my backstop back. It needs a break.
Oh my gosh, I could smell the cookie.
Yes. Pizookie in the wild.
So good.
Alright. Brakes on.
Wow.
Who comes up with that shit? I don't know.
I know. How do you do that? That's like so amazing. So good. Like the dichotomy of the two.
I'm surprised the ice cream is holding up as well as it is. I
know.
thought it would instantly just be like
Right.
puddle.
Yeah.
But yeah, help yourself to as much as you like, because
Yeah, it's really good. It's so good. Like the cookie is like warm and
my hands are filthy.
hot and oozing.
Hold on, there's more.
Oh my gosh. That's so cool, that little thing. Stanley cup.
Mm-hmm.
And that's specifically for ice cream.
No, it's to hold shot glasses.
What?
Yeah.
No way.
This is a kit that I got. It was the flask and the tube of shot glasses. The only thing that's cooking.
That wasn't even for ice cream. I love it.
The only thing that's.
You made it dual purpose. You made it fun purpose.
I went through so many things. I'm like, that's how I ended up with that combination.
You're like, wait, this is the perfect size to have ice cream.
Because I thought that the blue Hydro Flask thing,
Mm-hmm.
that I could fit something in there,
Oh.
but I couldn't. I tried this and I couldn't shut the lid.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so.
And that's when you're like, well, I do have a coffee press.
And this French press, which I haven't been using because it's so large.
Right, right.
It takes up a lot of space
Mm-hmm.
in my kitchen.
Yeah, you got a great setup in there. Damn.
I'm
That is
surprised
so
how spacious it is because I have everything outside.